Happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend. A few announcements before you get started with today's lesson, which we will be continuing picture graphs. This Friday's Big Blue Button meeting, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that it will be a talent show. So if you want to show off one of your talents, I'm giving you more than enough days to prepare. You don't want it to be more than 2 to 3 minutes long, but it will be this Friday at 11 o'clock. I'll give you more details as we get closer to Friday. If you have a question, if you'll be able to do the talent, you can always email me on Canvas, or your mom and dad can contact me on Dojo. But make sure it is school and kid appropriate. Also, I did want to make a big announcement. Congratulations, Grace. If you guys didn't know, obviously you have not known, but you don't know yet, but Miss Gilbert did let me know that Grace has read all 15 Sunshine State books, and if we were at school, she would be able to run down to the media center and be in the morning announcements and show off that big smile, and she would be so happy. So I just wanted to personally say congratulations to Grace for reading all 15 books. I'm really proud of you, and hopefully Miss Gilbert will be able to do something with the kids who finished since we are not at school. But either way, congratulations, Grace. All right, those are the only announcements for this week, other than continue to do all the work. For full participation, I do need all assignments turned in. Whether they're correct or not is one thing, but effort needs to be made. Some of you are only turning in one assignment and not doing the exit slip, or just doing the exit slip and not doing the practice. That will result in not full participation, and progress report grades are coming up. So just keep pushing, doing all the work, and we'll be doing fine. We have a few more weeks. You guys have a good Monday, and I'll see you on a whole group lesson. Bye.